Just fight the fish. All right, buddy. Sheephead. Bring him on land, trees. Bring him on land, buddy. Tighten your drag. All right, that's it. Trees. We're out here and somewhere in the Keys. My man Trees just caught a nice sheephead. Yo! This is a keeper, Trees.
¿Cómo la cogiste? ¿Con artificial? ¿O con...
Artificial.
¿Ah?
Artificial.
Was it a recording or?
Yeah. Nice sheephead. We caught it out here. My man Patrice. Good job. Caught a nice sheephead, bro. Hold it up sideways. Hold it under the belly. Under the belly. Grab it. Nice, Trees. Hold it up. Trees' first sheephead. Nice, Trees. How did you like it?
Good, man, good.
New rod, everything?
I thought it was stuck into the weeds.
Yo, that is a sheephead and a half, Peach. Patrice.